Open the Microsoft PowerPoint app on your computer. When you have finished opening the app, you will click on the record button. Here is where you are going to record yourself talking, and we can see you, I can hear you, and you will record yourself giving your presentation. To begin the record, you need to click on the red record button. And now you will see this red box around your slide. And you can now talk and give your presentation and continue to talk and give your presentation all the way through your slides, clicking using the arrows to move through your slides as if you would do this by talking in person. When you have finished working through all of your slides and you have finished presenting, you can simply stop the recording, and then you will close the window. Now you will see that the program has automatically added your video on all of your slides. So now, when I am looking at your presentation, I will click on this button and I will listen to you talk. Now you will see this red box around your slide, and you can now talk and give your presentation and continue to talk and give your presentation all the way through your slides, clicking use. So for your assessment, I will just look at your presentation and I will listen to you talk and present your PPT.